Okay, to change the owner of the htdocs folder in root/opt/lamp, you can right click it, see the permissions. You can see that currently root owns this folder. So right click in there, open a terminal. Type sudo chown, CHOWN, then in capital letters type $user and then a colon and then the username that you want to own this folder, and type in the path /opt/lamp/htdocs and then enter your password. Okay, then go back to the file manager. I'm using Dolphin. Hit Control and then reload. Now right click htdocs again, click permissions, click the permissions tab, and you can see that I am now the new owner. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.